Hi, good afternoon everyone. Today I'm unboxing my first jewelry from Cleef and Arpels. And Van Cleef is a brand that I really liked back when I first saw it in 2016, but I couldn't bear myself to get it. It's been about 5 years of working before I got this necklace. So let's unbox it. So first of all, each package will come with the Van Cleef and Arpels service care advice as well as authentication card. Each booklet is really heavy and well made. So this is the certification, and I really like the color scheme of this brand. And this is the receipt with my SA name there. And this is the unboxing. So it comes in, so exciting, it comes in a green ribbon, a pastel jade green ribbon with the box. And sometime later, they also mailed me something over here, which I will unbox later. So this is the jewelry box. Comes with it in the same of the company colors. And yeah, I got the Alhambra series for the white mother of pearl with the yellow gold chain. It's a bit funny, so yellow gold and compared to silver has more gold inside, which is technically more valuable, but I think it's because of the trend. Yellow gold pieces are actually retailing a few $100s cheaper than the silver gold pieces. So this is really an everyday piece that I see that I can wear on a daily basis, and it's very easy to match. I wouldn't recommend wearing this to the shower. When I asked the sales assistant, he said that you can wear it every day, and if you accidentally touch water, it's fine, but not for showering. It doesn't really affect the gold chain, but I think it's because the mother of pearl will start to shrink. I really love how this shines and glistens against the light, and it adds a touch of simplicity to plain outfits. So there's over the chain. This is the authentication, which will match the serial number will match the authenticity card in the care booklet. So let me just put this back. I'm so happy to get this because I actually bought it after the minor price increase, but at least for jewelry brands, I find that their price increases are reasonable. It's targeted towards inflation, so I don't really feel that much of a pinch compared to, let's say, Chanel or the rest, who could be doing inflation, who could be doing price increases by thousands. So this is how I usually will store it and back into the box. I don't really have a jewelry collection per se because I don't have the habit of taking in and out and accessorizing on a daily basis. My outfits are pretty simple, so this is my only piece of jewelry so far, and I've been quite mindful about adding newer pieces in. Probably if there's any other jewelry pieces, it will be next year, 2022. A while later, they also mailed me this from the brand itself. Let's see what it is. Yeah, it's really pretty. I think it's like a book about the brand. So I thought this was really sweet because they don't really email us or send us anything for the other brands. So this is just a welcome gift that Van Cleef sent over. I think this should be like it will make a good coffee table book if you arrange it like this on shelves. And it's really about the history of the brand so that you can appreciate it more. haven't actually started reading it, and I guess it would really make a very good casual Sunday evening or Sunday book. So this is more of the other jewelry lines. I guess they have a lot more things to offer other than the Alhambra collection, but I haven't had the time to explore the brand yet. This ballerina is really pretty, so is this watch. I really like the butterfly, the sweet butterfly bracelet as well. That was something that I was eyeing. All these luxurious jewelries and tones. This is really good. I would love to visit the actual store itself in Paris one day. So this is more about the drawings and the inspiration. Some more drawings. I think I will display this somewhere in my house, even though there's very limited space right now. So I always really like the butterflies in the collection as well, other than the Alhambra series. So that's about it. It's more about the history, and for the pictures they describe what this was about and how they came about. So I thought this was a really sweet gift, by the way. And it comes with a hard book cover, so that you can protect it while you have it on display. So it's been over 100 of years, and I think there's much history behind this brand. The October limited edition Alhambra series should be out soon. I'm not sure whether I'll collect it, but let's see. Okay, that's about it for my video. Do let me know down in the comments below if you have any other jewelry that you like, or you have any favorite pieces from this brand, or things that you think that I should explore. Thank you very much for watching the video. Bye bye.